little hand points to 1, we say 1 o'clock, the hour's begun. When the little hand points to 2, we say 2 o'clock, that's what we do. Ticky-tock, say the hour on the clock. Ticky-tock, every number says o'clock. When the little hand points to 3, we say 3 o'clock, nice and easy. When the little hand points to 4, we say 4 o'clock, then look for more. Ticky-tock, say the hour on the clock. Ticky-tock, every number says o'clock. When the little hand points to 5, we say 5 o'clock, learning's alive. 6, then 7, 8, then 9, each one says o'clock in time. 10 and 11 join the line, then 12 o'clock at the top looks fine. Round and round the hours go, every o'clock helps children grow. Ticky-tock, say the hour on the clock. Ticky-tock, now you can tell the o'clock.